Hi, this is Garrison Comstock with Garrison Team Real Estate, and I'm here at my brand new beautiful listing in Lemert Park. It's got 1,737 square feet, and it's on a 6,100 square foot beautiful lot on a nice quiet tree-lined street. It's got a detached 2-car garage that's perfect for either your cars or a future ADU unit. It's got arched ceilings, Spanish finishes, hardwood flooring, everything you might want in a property like this. It also has 3 beds, 2.5 baths, and air conditioning. Come check it out, it'll go fast. I'll see you there.